So today we're going to take a train trip from Copenhagen to Almholt, Sweden. It's about a 2 hour ride. An interesting place, Almholt, Sweden. Almholt is home to the first Ikea store, which is now the Ikea Museum. It is laid out kind of like an Ikea store where they want you to go in a prescribed path around the facility. The first thing you go through is kind of a history of Sweden exhibit with a multimedia presentation, hands-on kind of weaving, and what life was like in Sweden in the 1930s and before. Around that time, political change in Sweden caused what was referred to as the cleaning out of filthy Sweden, which meant indoor plumbing and sanitation and sewers and stuff like that for all. One of the things that sticks out the most in traveling through Scandinavian countries is how much they care for their children. There's playgrounds everywhere, there's parks everywhere, there's parents walking with their children everywhere. I guess it was a case of the right place at the right time. IKEA changed marketing of furniture globally. When the first showroom opened in 1953, the company had a gimmick of providing coffee and biscuits to all the visitors. This caused a major problem because they'd normally run out, and the staff would have to scour the town to find enough biscuits to feed all the customers. In 1958, the first store, now this museum, opened to throngs of visitors. It was a destination. And of course, there was children's furniture, much of which I don't believe would meet today's standards for safety. As you walk around the museum, you see that much of the DNA that was started in this store is still prevalent in IKEA stores around the world. In this new store, entire rooms were laid out with lists of all the products and where to find them. In my opinion, one of the cool things about the store is it's almost like a time machine. You see the various styles that came and went through the ages. The word IKEA is actually an acronym. I is for Ingvar, the founder's first name. Kamprad is the founder's last name. Elmtayard is the name of the farm where he grew up. And Ungunadjard is the name of the county in Småland where Almholt is located.